Good afternoon, all of you. This is Divya Soni from RPIT campus, Basara, Karnal. Today we'll discuss about the handicap care. Disadvantage for a given सबसे पहले handicap को हम डिसेबल पेशेंट भी बोलते हैं. A disadvantage for a given individual in his or her social context and limits or prevent the fulfillment of a role that is normal to the individual. Any restriction or lack of ability to perform an activity in the manner normal to an individual. Physical, connective, mental, sensory, emotional, or the combination are noted. Disability prevents the subject from the being independent. Disabled person are addressed differently. Abled person. Rehabilitation क्या होती है? Enhance the restore the functionality and the quality of the life of those with physical impairment or the disabilities. Primary prevention, secondary prevention, and tertiary prevention. Goal is to add life to years, not years to life. WHO, according to WHO, identification 6 handicaps: locomotor handicaps, paraplegias, hearing and the speech handicaps, cardiopulmonary handicaps, visual handicaps, mental handicaps, and emotionally disturbed. Primary disabilities are directly consequence of a disease. Example: spinal cord injury and the stroke. Secondary disability are those which does not exist at the onset of the primary disability but develop subsequently. Example: tight muscle joint etc. रिहेबिलिटेशन टीम होती है. डॉक्टर्स, फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट, ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपी, स्पीच पैथोलॉजिस्ट, प्रोथेटिस्ट, ऑर्थोटिस्ट बोलते हैं जिसको हम. रिहेबिलिटेशन नर्स, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, म्यूजिक और द प्ले थेरेपिस्ट, बायोमेडिकल इंजीनियर्स, सोशल वर्कर्स, वोकेशनल काउंसलर, स्पीच एजुकेटर एंड द गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज. Deliver of the rehabilitation care like a institutional based care, homes, daycare centers, outpatient clinic, camps, community based rehabilitation. थेराप्यूटिक एक्सरसाइजेज करवाते हैं हम कुछ इसमें, जिसमें स्ट्रेंथिंग एक्सरसाइजेज, बैलेंस ट्रेनिंग, कोऑर्डिनेशन एक्सरसाइजेज, गेट ट्रेनिंग, मोबिलेशन एक्सरसाइज, री एजुकेशन एक्सरसाइज, मसाज टेक्निक्स, रिलैक्सेशन एक्सरसाइज एक्सेट्रा. स्ट्रेंथिंग एक्सरसाइज में सेट ऑफ द एक्सरसाइज टू इम्प्रूव द पावर ऑफ द मसल और द मसल ग्रुप्स. टाइप्स ऑफ द कॉन्ट्रैक्शन: concentric, eccentric, or the isometric. Precautions needed to be taken. Balance training procedure assisting to improving the static and the dynamic balance are used in the training. Coordination exercise करवाते हैं like a performing precise, smooth and the purposeful movement using the multiple muscle and or the stable posture. Volition, ability to start, maintain or stop any activity. Perception, intact the center and the areas in the brain to receive the pain store prior. Motor planes in the central nervous system. And the repetitive exercise, precision and the attention are the important part of the treatment. गेट ट्रेनिंग की बात करते हैं. गेट और द ह्यूमन लोकोमोशन इज़ द ट्रांसलेटरी प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ द बॉडी एज होल प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय द कोऑर्डिनेटेड movement of the body segments. Normal gait requires sensory inputs and the proper muscular activity. Gait training can be given using assistively device such as crutches, walkers and the sticks etc. Mobilization exercises is a passive movement in such a manner or the speed that the patient can stop the movement as at his will. Relaxation exercise. Relaxation is a state in which the muscles of the body are relatively free from the tension etc. These are all about your handicap. Physical summary की बात करते हैं तो improper movement in quality of the life and the physical activity exercise can be improved disability and the handicap. Thank you. I hope you will understand this.